How to remove and clean drain pump. Place a broad, flat container beneath the drain pump filter to collect the drain water. To open the access panel door to the drain pump, press at the top of the door to release. Release the black hose from the hose clip, remove the plug, and drain the hose into the container. Make sure that the black hose is completely dry. Replace the plug and secure the hose in the clip. Remove the drain pump filter by turning it counterclockwise. Remove large clumps of lint by hand from the filter. Remove remaining residue from the filter by rinsing with water. Reinsert the drain pump filter by turning it clockwise. Make sure to turn it in as far as it will go, with the filter handle remaining as close as possible to the vertical position. To close the access panel door, push at the top to snap shut.